All-purpose flour 250 gram. 2 tablespoons suji. Half teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix. 2 tablespoon ghee. Mix. Add water and make a dough. Apply ghee and cover it for 25 to 30 minutes. 15 to 20 almonds. 15 to 20 pistachio. 15 to 20 cashew. 1 tablespoon ghee. Add dry fruits. Roast it for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Add half cup coconut in pan for 1 minute. Blend all dry fruits well. Add roasted coconut in it. Add raisin kishmish. Mix. 4 tablespoon powdered sugar. Mix. Half cup khoya. Mix it well. 2 tablespoon cream. Mix. Dough. Apply ghee. Roll it. Cut into small pieces. First method. Add all blended fry fruits. Second method. Add all blended dry fruits. Fry it on medium flame. Enjoy!